Hey guys, Ron here with Site Survey Pros and Innovative Digital Group. So I wanted to create this quick video for you guys for some of our customers that have these devices. This is probably the most popular RF gun that we have on the market, which is the MC9090, MC92NO, MC9060, and the MC9090. So our company specialize in wireless barcode systems. So we're an AIDC company. We specialize in barcode scanning technologies. Primarily, we sell, support, service these types of devices and connect them to a wireless system. So this is also known as a barcode scanner. I did have a call today, and the customer was asking, do you fix mobile computers? But what he referred this to was an RF scanner, so radio frequency scanner, or what we call it, or people who have been in the industry for a long time, we call this a barcode scanner. So a mobile barcode scanner, or we just call it a Motorola MC scanner. But a lot of different names for it. We pretty much just call it a barcode scanner, wireless barcode scanner. The difference is, we've got another one here. With a regular barcode scanner, your barcode scanner might be plugged in, and that might be like a tethered that's connected to like an RS-232 cable, or it might be connected to a USB or a COM port cable. So anyways, this is another device. So this is an MC. You could look at the back. If you look at the back over here, um, right here, it actually tells you what PN. The PN is actually MC9060, and then the serial number is there. So when we're looking for a certain serial number or a part number, especially for a new one, a lot of the questions come up is like, what kind of scanner do you have that in it? Now, if you look at the scanner, you could see these letters that say right here, GF0HB, GB00WW. That is the part number of the MC9060, and that tells us a lot of information. The amount of RAM it has in it, the display, monochrome back then or color, and the most important thing is the type of scanner that that part number has in it. Because a lot of these devices, they might have a long range barcode scanner, a short range barcode scanner, and when we go to replace this or repair this, we need to know if we can repair it. And if we can't repair your barcode scanner or your RF barcode scanner, if we can't repair it, then what we'll do is we'll actually provide you a quote for a replacement. And we can sell these to you for roughly about $295 Canadian starting, and that's with a standard range barcode scanner. Because if we can't repair it, then we'll just offer you a new one. And sometimes there's no point in getting so many parts repaired on it unless it's underneath the contract. So our contracts start around $20 per handheld device for repair. But if there's physical damage, like over here, you know it, if it's completely crushed, and it doesn't turn on, that is just a DOA, a dead on arrival unit, not even worth fixing. So we just don't even bother repairing it. We'll just offer you a replacement for about $295, and that's just because of the scan engine. If this scan engine is a basic scanner, that's the price you'll get. But if you want a more aggressive scanner, which has a long range or a 2D imager or a LoRax scanner, which does like near far, it's like a 1D, 2D scanner, then it'll be more expensive. It'll probably be about $450 to $500 for that device. But like I mentioned, if it has a lot of physical damage, if it's been crushed, it's not worth fixing. And here you can see in this particular scanner, you can see a dent. I'm not too sure what happened here, because if this falls, it's hard to puncture this glass. It's almost like someone stabbed it and did it on purpose. So it still works. You can see right here, I just have to press it hard, but it still does work. Majority of the time, these scanners can get fixed with a software patch. And in today's video, I just wanted to go over what our company does in terms of barcode scanner repair. We fix a lot of these. Contracts start about $20 a month per unit for the standard. If it has a different scan engine in it, then it goes a little bit more. Like I mentioned, you can pick these up from us for about $2.95, fully refurbished with a 1-year warranty. And I just want to go over one more thing is when you do get these back, or you lose the settings and it doesn't connect to the radio, one feature here that you should always look at is just making sure 802.11d is turned off. I'm going to come over here and go over to options. Right now I can't even click on it, it's kind of hard, so I can scroll down options and press enter. Now if you go to the drop down box and if you go to regulatory, see right there, enable 802.11d. If you unselect that and save it, that will allow you to connect to your wireless network as soon as you set up your profile within Fusion. So that is a common mistake that I see with these devices that's running Pocket PC or Windows CE. Make sure 802.11d is turned off. So I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys, just to describe, I guess, the contracts that we do and then how we fix them, common mistakes. And if you need to get in contact with us to get a contract going, just send us an email or give us a call and we'll respond as soon as possible. And again, thanks for watching the video.